Josh, we've got a question here from Lori in Orange Beach. She says that her son passed away in 2015, and she found out later that he had had a child, so an unknown grandchild, it sounds like. The question is trying to get survivor benefits paid and father have added to birth certificate. What are the options?
Well, she certainly needs to call an attorney. That's a very tricky and delicate situation to find out that there was a child that the mother never told his family about and never told him about. You know, it would certainly be something to meet with an attorney and talk about. She most likely has a death certificate and can go from there, but there are a lot of complexities, you know, to prove that he was the father. The inability at that point to have a DNA test might come into it. There's a lot of complex situations there, but she does need to see an attorney. She does need to do that so that everything can be right, and if he is the father, that he can be put on the birth certificate and the child can know that he had that father.
And I guess, Josh, so what you're saying is that they would have to prove that he is in fact the father. Could the court, could they argue, and could the court compel this family to have the child tested, have the DNA tested?
Yes, they can. I mean, absolutely. They can. The court can require, by filing a motion with the court can require the mother to present the child or make the child available for a DNA test. The difficulty, I think, is going to be in matching his DNA to the deceased potential father at that point.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. How are they going to get the DNA from the deceased?
Right.
That's an interesting topic, and one.
Right.
You know, if she feels like she wants to make things right and have this child know if he had a father and who that father was, she should definitely pursue it. Absolutely.
Right.